Do you want to know if cryptocurrency is legal in India or if it is going to be banned soon? The cryptocurrency craze has swept the nation with over 10 crore Indians owning cryptocurrencies. India has the highest number of crypto owners in the world, most of them millennials and teenagers. In all of this comes a vital question: are cryptocurrencies legal in India? This question has plagued several investors who only focused on the whopping gains most cryptocurrencies made recently as cryptocurrency prices shot up through the roof. Now many crypto investors are in a panic mode as rumors float of the Indian government banning cryptocurrencies, leaving crores of investors unsure on what lies ahead. Hello and welcome, I am Prarthana from Clear, India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million tax filers so far. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. We have curated 4 of our best calculators that will help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum you need to invest to reach those goals. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form that is provided in the description box below. If you are already aware, you can skip straight to the next chapter, which is why are cryptocurrencies in the news? Well, cryptocurrency is decentralized digital money that runs on blockchain technology. It is not regulated by any central bank such as the RBI or government in the world. The blockchain technology is a decentralized public distributed ledger that facilitates the recording of transactions and tracking of assets. It is pretty much like Google Docs. You can create and share a Google Doc with a set of people instead of copying or transferring it. All these people have access to the doc at any time and any modifications are recorded real time in a transparent manner. Blockchain is of course a little more complicated than Google Docs, but this gives you an idea on the technology. The origins of the world's first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, still remains a mystery with speculations on whether it was created by one or several people. Satoshi Nakamoto is the fictitious name used by a person or people who developed Bitcoin in 2008. The domain name bitcoin.org was registered on 18th August 2008. There are more than 15,000 cryptocurrencies in the world. Take a look at the table showing the world's largest crypto owners. Now take a look at the table showing cryptocurrency owners as a percentage of the total population. Many Indians have this question: are cryptocurrencies legal in India? Yes, cryptocurrencies are legal and have never been banned in India. However, cryptocurrencies are not legal tender or currency in India, unlike the rupee, which is accepted as a payment for a monetary debt. There are no laws that prohibit cryptocurrency trading in India. However, you cannot pay with cryptocurrency while purchasing anything in India, as cryptocurrency is not legal tender backed by sovereign guarantee. Problems for cryptocurrency investors in India began in 2018 when RBI banned banks and financial institutions from doing business with cryptocurrency exchanges. However, nothing was said with regard to the cryptocurrency owners in India. The Supreme Court of India struck down the RBI ruling in March 2020, which was a major relief for cryptocurrency exchanges in India. RBI struck back in May 2021, sending an informal note to banks asking them to be wary of cryptocurrency exchanges. Banks immediately withdraw services to cryptocurrency exchanges, forcing cryptocurrency platforms to stop taking deposits in Indian rupee temporarily. Even though this issue was resolved, some banks do not allow people to deposit money at cryptocurrency exchanges. However, these scenarios created ambiguity around cryptocurrencies, with many people believing the government would soon ban cryptocurrencies in India. The government will introduce the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 during the ongoing winter session of Parliament. It plans to regulate cryptocurrencies and not ban them. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SCBI, the capital market regulator, will regulate cryptocurrencies in India. The government will frame laws around how cryptocurrency exchanges must operate in India. Cryptocurrencies will be renamed as crypto assets and taxed as assets such as gold. However, you will have to wait until clarity emerges around the taxation of cryptocurrency. Blockchain, the technology that powers cryptocurrencies such as bitcoins, is legal, and RBI is planning to roll out its central bank digital currency CBDC based on this technology. However, a few weeks ago, rumors spread that the government was introducing the cryptocurrency bill to ban all private cryptocurrencies with few exceptions. This created a lot of confusion on the difference between public and private cryptocurrencies. Many people are confused about the difference between public and private cryptocurrencies. As the government was supposed to ban private cryptocurrencies, it was assumed that only RBI CBDC, that is the central bank digital currency, was a public cryptocurrency and all other cryptocurrencies were private cryptocurrencies. However, this is not true. Public cryptocurrencies are run on public blockchains, which are self-governing decentralized networks. As they don't have any intermediary or middleman, anyone can participate anonymously and view transactions on them. Bitcoin blockchain and the Ethereum blockchain are public cryptocurrencies, as anyone can use these networks. Private cryptocurrencies are permission-driven networks featuring several rules. They basically decide who participates, governs, executes, and validates the network. Private blockchain owners can edit, override, or even delete transaction entries. This table shows private cryptocurrencies. I hope by now you have understood what private and public cryptocurrencies are and why they are in the news. Don't you want to know how regulations will impact cryptocurrency earnings? If yes, then please type yes in the comment section below. Cryptocurrencies will be declared as crypto assets and not currencies, as they are not legal tender in India. The government may give cryptocurrency holders in India a deadline to declare their cryptocurrency holdings and comply with any new regulation or norms framed in the winter session of Parliament. Cryptocurrency holders may have to declare their crypto assets within 3 months after these rules come into effect. The cryptocurrency bill will promote blockchain technology and its underlying uses. For instance, the Maharashtra government plans to use blockchain technology for e-governance. The government will bring cryptocurrencies under the income tax net by amending some income tax laws. Expect changes around this in the next union budget. To protect cryptocurrency investors and prevent tax evasion and money laundering, the government will punish violators with a jail term of 1.5 years or fines up to Rs 20 crore. The cryptocurrency bill gives power to SCBI, RBI and the Income Tax Department to scrutinize the Know Your Customer data of cryptocurrency exchanges. India will amend the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) to monitor cryptocurrency activity. The takeaway is the Chief Economic Advisor Dr. Krishnamurthy Subramaniam is of the opinion that granting private cryptocurrencies the status of financial asset is a risky move. Private cryptocurrencies do not derive value from any underlying asset or real economic activity. Speculative bids can fuel volatility, impacting ordinary investors who would struggle with the wild fluctuations in cryptocurrency prices. Well, many investors want to know how cryptocurrencies will be taxed. You must pay tax on any kind of income or profit in India, and income from trading in crypto assets is no different. Financial experts recommend that you declare cryptocurrency gains in your income tax return as capital gains. However, currently there is no guidance in the Income Tax Act on how gains from cryptocurrencies would be taxed. The income tax rate charged on cryptocurrency gains depends on your tax status and taxpayer category. India has not passed any laws banning cryptocurrency mining, which is a process where specialized computers or nodes validate blockchain transactions for specific crypto coins. You won't face problems for any laws if you are using specialized computers to mine public cryptocurrencies. Currently, the Income Tax Department has not framed laws around taxation of cryptocurrencies. However, the government may tax gains from cryptocurrency similar to gold as shown in the table. Takeaway is, if you make large frequent cryptocurrency transactions, you are classified as a trader in cryptocurrencies. Any income from the sale of cryptocurrencies, say bitcoins, will be taxed as business income and you would be taxed at your income tax slab rates. You also need to examine the impact of goods and services tax on your earnings. You could wait until the government passes the cryptocurrency bill if you are a first-time cryptocurrency investors. You will get an idea on the classification, regulations, taxation, penalties, etc. on cryptocurrencies, which help you make an informed decision. Financial experts recommend that you choose investments that match your risk tolerance to attain financial goals. If you have done your due diligence before investing in cryptocurrencies, there's no need to panic. However, you must realize that cryptocurrencies are high-risk investments as there is no long-term historical data on price movements, besides the uncertainty over its regulation. If you have invested money you don't immediately need or very small amounts in cryptocurrencies, you can continue to hold them. It is likely that the cryptocurrency prices will blow up after clarity emerges over its regulation and you could then sell your cryptocurrencies. If you sell your cryptocurrencies immediately, it is likely that you will get a lower price than global cryptocurrency exchanges. However, if the government bans private cryptocurrencies, which is unlikely, it could give you a window to exit your cryptocurrency investments. However, there would be many sellers and you may not get a good price for your investment. Bottom line is, the government is framing laws around cryptocurrency regulation and taxation to increase transparency in the investment. Cryptocurrencies are volatile investments which are suitable for investors with a higher risk tolerance. The government is closely monitoring the risks surrounding cryptocurrencies to protect common investors. Hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you have any questions on cryptocurrencies, feel free to comment. And if you have capital gains from cryptocurrency and want help filing your taxes, use our live expert assisted service. Link is in the description and you can use the code OFF20 to get a 20% off on it. Do subscribe to our channel and claim your free gift. Till the next time, stay tuned and take care.